With all the renovations, 700,000, the fixtures, quality of finishing, this house is only going for one.
Hey, morning.
Hey.
Joseph, hi.
That's why I'm going to see you, man.
I'm lost, man. Where are we?
We are now at Setia Utama, Setia Alam. This space is called Retusa. It's about 5 minutes away from the Setia City Mall. The house has a land area of 32 by 70. It's a 3-story semi. The owner has spent almost 700,000 on the renovation and fixing. It's a move-in condition. And over here, we have got about 10 feet space of land. The owner has actually built a staircase connecting to the first floor balcony. And the owner has also did a lot of landscaping. Check out this beautiful fish pond. And to those barbecue lovers, we've got a beautiful barbecue area, cooking stove. All the piping has been installed. A lot of effort. Even the flooring over here has been renovated, creating a clubhouse feel, you know. So let's step into the house.
Oh, wow.
Just check it out. The whole house has been fully renovated from the floor to the ceiling, laminated flooring. The owner has also installed security mesh for the entire house, and it costs almost 100,000. For the entire house. And we've got a nice built-in TV cabinet.
This design is very minimalist.
Yes.
You don't see too many clutter inside the house.
Exactly. So now we're entering the dry kitchen. Got a nice tabletop island here. Comes with all these accessories.
Oh wow, this is great.
This is great, man. Yeah. Here's the wet kitchen with the stove hood. To the backyard, we've got the laundry area.
Wow, man, it feels like a hotel feel already.
Exactly.
Look at the sink.
Yeah. They actually hired an interior designer to renovate this house. Downstairs room, guest area or study area.
Wow, Joseph, how big is the house?
Build up of this house is 3,200 square feet. It consists of 5 + 1 rooms and 6 bathrooms. This is the room 1.
Is this somebody's house or show unit?
I can't believe it, man. Over here is the room 2. It has been converted into a study room.
And each room comes with a bathroom?
Yes, that's right. Every room comes with their own ensuite bathroom. Here we are now entering the family hall.
This is cozy, Joseph. And look at the size of the sofa. It's just nice.
Wow.
If only it comes with the sofa. It doesn't come with the sofa, right?
Doesn't come with a sofa. But can be discussed. And there's also a shared bathroom.
And it's plenty of storage here as well.
Yep. And the best part about this is this house comes with a balcony. Unlike the other house, there's no balcony, but this owner has actually created a platform. Over here, you can have your storage as well. Owner has also did the flooring, epoxy. There's about easily 70 square feet of space here. Now we are entering the second floor. You'll be amazed with the master bathroom. Master bedroom, modern, bright, comes with a balcony. The master bathroom is totally refurbished, huge.
Oh, wow. And it's connected to this bedroom.
Yeah, so actually this one has another door, but it has been closed, so this is for their children.
Joseph, this is one of your nicer listings lah.
Indeed.
So the question now is, how much is it?
With all the renovations, 700,000, the fixtures, quality of finishing, this house is only going for 1.55 million only.
What? I expected 2.5 or 2 plus lah.
Exactly. Come and view the house, view to believe it, you'll be surprised.
Thank you so much, Joseph. Thank you. I'll see you again next time.
See you again. Bye-bye.